what's up guys, it's Jack Tech, and in today's video, we are doing what's inside my backpack. And yeah, that's going to be the video. Today we are joined by happy ginormous kids. You know, I highly recommend that. Okay, so off now. Okay, this is real. This is my backpack from the Republic. And I have my friend's signatures on it and stuff, just for fun, you know. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the big pocket first. Okay, so first of all, we have the main binder. Basically, one of these things where you like pull it like this, and then you open it. I have all my work in it. It's like Spanish class, math class, science class, language arts, film studies, and college career awareness. But I'm pretty sure you guys get it. Okay, so the next item, we have trash. I don't know what is in here. Looks like we have the old rotten sandwich. And we got a tennis ball that I drew on in class because I wanted to. I named him Fred. He's a pretty cool guy. Because sometimes when we have free time on like Fridays and Mondays, we might have to play a little baseball game or something. Yeah, there's that. And then next we have a math book. I'm pretty sure at least half of you read this book. I feel the exact same way. You know, it's not as complicated. I'm in 7th grade, so it's not horrible. I actually get pretty good grades in math. Last term I got A-. It's not horrible, I mean. But, you know, math is still like the worst subject in the whole wide world and stuff. Okay, so next up we have my ripped up science notebook that I have to use a paper clip to put on, but it ripped it more. So I'm gonna go ahead, try to put that back on, but no, I'm not gonna do that right now, for video's sake. Some science stuff, I had to glue in. Nobody cares about science. And then we have a notebook. This one is just a college rule thingy. I don't know. I just use it because most of my classes require paper to like take notes on. And then I put it in my green folder I just barely showed you. So I just rip it out of this thing. And yeah. And the next object is you figure this out. I'm pretty sure this is my math notebook. That work is basically a little warm-up thing. And we have I don't really exactly. Then we got a composition notebook. Or no. This is language arts notebook. And then we have, that's not language arts because this isn't language arts. I'm not sure what that is. I have notes in it and stuff. Yeah, I need to stay organized. This is language arts. And yeah. Oh, thing. I don't know. This is my new class studies folder. And then we have last thing. Big pocket is this nice little book. So I first started this book. Oh yeah, this is. I like it so far. It's really to all of you guys who are on my age. Okay, now we are moving on to a little pocket, which is right here. So basically, this is like fun stuff. Okay, so first of all, zipper. Right. I haven't signed them. So I'm gonna open that real quick. Okay, first we have $1 bill. I take money to school, so I can actually buy stuff from the vending machines. They have vending machines. A lot of you guys can relate to that, because like sometimes I don't have time to eat breakfast and stuff. I'm in a rush, so I just get to school and just get something, like a Pop-Tart or something like that. And then we have earbuds, so I can listen to music when we have free time and stuff. And then we have this stuff. I like this stuff just to play with during class. It gets taken away 50% of the time, probably more. But it is putty, I think is what it's called. It's pretty awesome. It's really tough and stretchy, so it doesn't get all over the place. But yeah, I really like that stuff. I recommend it to play with. It's fun, but the teacher will want to take it away, and also your classmates will want to play with it 24/7. So that can get really annoying sometimes. And then we got a simple pencils. We got this pencil, which I really like. It bends. Yeah, I did that on purpose, obviously. And then we got, don't really need to see that, it's like a ID. And then we have my student ID card. I'm going to show you the picture, I guess. That's me. So it's my student ID for the school. And calculator card for math, so we can check out a calculator. And then if we don't have our calculator by the end of the day, we get in trouble the next day, probably like detention or something. So probably don't want to forget the calculator card. But next we have this stuff. It's hair gel. I don't like the smell of it though. It smells like baby stuff. I don't know. But it's Murray's beeswax. It's made of beeswax, but it's more like a wax, hair wax, you know. It's what I use for my hair. And I knew I was going to pull this out, so I also brought this. Sometimes I use this stuff too. Oh crap, where's it? It's on the top. So it is Diffie Destruct. I guess it smells like pineapple. It's this stuff where you get it on your finger and stuff. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my hair. I don't have anything else to do with it. It does have a lot of shine, honestly, but you know, it has a pretty good hold. See? Yeah. I keep my hair gel in my backpack just in case. Like either bad hair day, I can just quickly do my hair or something, or picture day if it's bad hair day, or if it's like after PE and I just want to do my hair for some reason at that extra time. We got another $1 bill. 2 sacks from the vending machine, I mean, right? That's pretty. And then we got hall passes for science class. I saved those for the end of the term because they can get you extra credit. And we also got a fresh unopened pack of gum, which I'm going to open right now. Oh my gosh. And it goes flying across the room. But yeah, got the gum. I'm going to go ahead and pop a piece in my mouth. So this is how you open gum. Sorry, 2016. But yeah, that's about it for my backpack. I got 2 pockets. I got hall passes and that crap in there. But yeah, so link in this. Like, tell me if you guys want me to do a giveaway for this pencil. I mean, sure, why not? Maybe I can give away 7th grade science evolution assignment that I got 76% on, percent on. Nah. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you check out my past videos because it's pretty good. It was a room tour / house tour / behind the house tour. But yeah. I guess peace out.